And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how we can create a dream transition. I've got two video files right here and an audio file. Let us first add the footage. So here's a guy thinking, dreaming. Let's pause it right here. Then I use the split tool. B is the shortkey for it. I cut it right there, delete the rest. And he's dreaming about some beach footage. I don't want to make it that long. Now let's go to transitions, open a drop down. You want to go to distortion. And there are two typical dream transitions. They're called memory here. Memory 1. It's more like this wavy line. Definitely want to make that longer than 0.5. Let me go to 1.5. That's definitely better. Maximum for it is 2.1. I'm going to stick to around 1.5, 1.6. Let me show you memory 2. It's more like a water drop effect, so it sends these waves that start from the center. Pick one of these, then add your audio file. Let me zoom a little bit in. You want to start the audio file a little bit earlier than the transition. So maybe right here, a couple of frames to the left. And here I'll cut it, get rid of the rest. And the end position of this audio file, I want to fade it out a little bit. So just left click on this audio file in the timeline. Then you've got the basic adjustments, fade out. I'm going to link to the source of this audio effect. If you want to use the same, it's copyright free. You will find the link in the description. And that's how you can create this dream transition in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.